This meditation will help you stop overthinking. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Let your shoulders drop. Let your body begin to relax. Now bring your attention to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth. Thoughts may come, fast, scattered, loud. That's okay. You don't need to chase them or stop them. You're just watching, not engaging. Like clouds drifting across the sky, notice and let them pass. Now bring your focus gently back to the breath. Feel the air enter and leave. Say silently to yourself, I am not my thoughts. I am the calm beneath the noise. With each breath, imagine your thoughts quieting, slowing down, softening, giving space for stillness to grow. There's nothing to fix right now. Only this moment, only this breath. Take one final deep breath in and gently exhale. Return to your day with more clarity, ease, and peace.